Meet HD 100546b, one of the largest known planets in our universe. This colossal gas giant is a true behemoth, nearly 10 times the size of Jupiter. Imagine a planet so massive that it makes our largest planet look like a mere pebble in comparison. But what if you were dropped there? What would it be like to descend into this gargantuan world? Spoiler alert, it wouldn't end well. The atmosphere is a chaotic mix of intense storms with winds that could tear apart anything in their path. The gravity alone would be crushing, far beyond anything we experience on Earth. You'd be pulled down with such force that survival would be impossible. And let's not forget the extreme temperatures. The deeper you go, the hotter it gets, reaching temperatures that could melt metal. Plus, the atmosphere is filled with toxic gases, making it impossible to breathe. In short, landing on HD 100546b would be a one-way trip to disaster. As you fall, you'd face a thick, crushing atmosphere of gas and storms stronger than anything on Earth. The descent is not for the faint-hearted. Imagine being enveloped by clouds so dense that they obscure your vision entirely, making it impossible to see even a few feet ahead. The atmosphere is a chaotic mix of swirling gases, each layer more turbulent than the last. Temperatures climb to thousands of degrees, far beyond anything we experience on our home planet. The heat is so intense that it could melt lead, and the surface is a scorching inferno. The air itself seems to shimmer with the sheer intensity of the heat, creating a mirage-like effect that distorts everything in sight. And the winds, over 10,000 miles per hour. These are not just breezes, but violent gales that can tear apart anything in their path. The force of the wind is unimaginable, capable of lifting massive objects and hurling them across the landscape. It's a world where the elements are in constant violent motion, a true test of endurance and resilience. Here's the kicker. Giant planets like this don't have solid surfaces. Unlike Earth, which has a solid crust, these gas giants are composed mostly of hydrogen and helium. If you tried to land on one, you'd find yourself falling endlessly into dense, superheated gases. There's no ground to stop you, just layer upon layer of thick atmosphere. As you descend, the pressure and temperature increase dramatically. Eventually, you'd be crushed by insane pressures deep inside the planet. The deeper you go, the more intense it gets until the environment becomes utterly inhospitable. Scientists believe that at the very core there might be a small, dense core of rock and metal surrounded by a sea of metallic hydrogen. But reaching it is impossible with current technology. So, for now, we can only observe these mysterious giants from afar, marveling at their immense size and the secrets they hold within their swirling clouds. Survival? Impossible. But the science is incredible. Massive planets like this challenge everything we know about the universe. So, would you dare to explore one? Like, subscribe and stay tuned for more jaw-dropping space facts. The universe is full of surprises.